Oh, yes, my friend, look at this. It's beautiful and yummy and delicious. Today we're gonna make Gateau basque. Gateau basque is very nice for the breakfast or afternoon with some cup of coffee. Let's jump right to it and make this happen. Yes, my friend, this is all the ingredients we're gonna use in this video. I mix it up all the ingredients together except the egg yolk. So I put the flour, then sugar, then the yeast, also the salt, and this is soft bar room temperature. So then I put to mix it up everything together. After I mix it up a little bit, I will add the egg yolk. Also, you can do this method and the table if you want to use your hand. So I prefer to use the machine, so wherever you feel comfortable with. So I go ahead and I mix it up the mix a little bit. So give me just like a crumb. Then I will add the egg yolk. As soon as the egg yolk disappears, you can stop the machine and keep mixing by hand. If you like to work more comfortable with the dough, you can keep it in the fridge for a few minutes, then you can use it. Or you can use it in the same time, there's no problem. I will be using 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolk and some about 50 grams of milk. Then I will mix it up very well. Then I will be using to stick the dough together. Then I will be using the top of the gateau. For the filling, I will be using cream pastry, custard. So you can go back to my videos, you will find the full video with the recipe of custard. Also, you can use cream almond, so almond cream or any flavor you like. Here you go, you can use a knife to make some nice line in the top. Then you can bake it at 180 C about 35 minutes. Here I will be using some nature glaze on the top to make a little shiny. Okay my friend, this is the end of the video. After my gateau is cooled down, I will cut them in 4 pieces. So please, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Please try this at home and I am very sure you will be so happy with the results. Enjoy guys, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and see you in next video.